Hello, welcome to my channel. Here I have this mini lock that I got as a Christmas gift, and I seen that Bosny Bill was able to open it with a hammer, but I found an easier way. That's just the key. Show it a bit. Not much to look at. So, nice lock's got a bit of weight to it. There's the automatic lock. Mindy, Italy pat. And then the bottom, same crap again. But it's patented in Italy but made in the USA. Well, who knew? But let me show you something really easy. Here I have a box of Southward Shims. These got big ones. Aha, here we go. Take this one. Alright. The lock is closed. Now I only need one. You just need one to open it. And there you go. Simple. The lip doesn't actually make a difference. So I'm going to do that again. Mindy lock. There we go. Simple. You can see it's not that deep. The locking part isn't that deep in there. So you can see it's not it. And it's like dead center. But if you to look at the cheaper locks, at the cash average, you can see that the lock and pause is not centered. It's more off to like I think the left or the right side. So and that's like dead straight, but however, still needs to open. So the lip not high enough to stop you from shooting it. Just do one more just for fun. Go. Done. Very simple. And you get 4 keys. They all work, so can't complain. But that's it. Just wanted to show that little cool thing I found out about the lock when I got it. Thanks for watching.